In my Nature of Thailand series, I have already made a video about the most common birds in Thailand. In that video, I selected 25 common bird species. The number of trees was also too large to be treated. That's why I made a video of 10 tree species that are characteristic of Thailand. In this video, I look at the reptiles in Thailand. There are estimated to be around 400 species of reptiles in Thailand. At number 1 is the saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles are the largest living reptiles on Earth. At their largest, these saltwater crocodiles can grow up to 23 feet long. These massive creatures are known by a slew of names, including sea crocodile, Indo-Pacific crocodile, salty, marine crocodile, and estuarine crocodile. Salties, as they are half lovingly called, are intimidating creatures. They have a large head equipped with teeth that can measure up to 9 centimeters. They live in mangrove forests near the coast. At hatching, saltwater crocodiles measure just 28 centimeters long. From hatching, they must grow to over 1.8 meters in females or 3 meters in males before they can reproduce. That's a lot of growing. Like many reptiles, the temperature of the eggs dictates the gender of the hatchling. Within a nest, there can be a temperature gradient, resulting in some males and some females. Eggs that are slightly cooler will produce females, and eggs that are slightly hotter will produce males. Saltwater crocodiles are carnivores, which means that they eat meat. They hunt via ambush in most cases, despite their large size. As generalists, they will eat just about anything that they can grab. Number 2 is the leatherback turtle. These massive reptiles, the largest of all turtles, are quite imposing creatures. Leatherback sea turtles are named for their uniquely soft shells, which are quite different in contrast to other sea turtles' hard shells. Leatherback sea turtles feed almost exclusively upon jellyfish. They migrate to follow the jellyfish. Leatherback sea turtles spend almost their entire lives at sea. They search for food in the open ocean and only ever approach the shore to lay eggs. Mating occurs in the water, and the females only return to land in order to lay their eggs. Female leatherback sea turtles mate once every 2 or 3 years. The females return to the beach that they were hatched on and climb up the beach at night to avoid predators. They dig a nest, inside which they lay approximately 110 eggs. The females then cover their nest with sand and drag themselves back to the ocean. After about 2 months, the eggs hatch and the baby turtles must dig themselves out of the sand and run for the ocean. Only 1% of turtle hatchlings will survive long enough to reproduce themselves. Number 3 are the geckos. The tokay gecko is found throughout Southeast Asia. Its native habitat is rainforest trees and cliffs, and it also frequently adapts to rural human habitations, roaming walls and ceilings at night in search of insect prey. The common house gecko, Hemidactylus frenatus, is also known as the Asian house gecko, Pacific house gecko, wall gecko, house lizard, or moon lizard. Most geckos are nocturnal, hiding during the day and foraging for insects at night. They can be seen climbing walls of houses and other buildings in search of insects attracted to porch lights, and are recognizable by their characteristic chirping. In the morning and the evening, I hear them calling their name, but sometimes it sounds they are calling "fuck you" instead of gecko. The many lizards of Thailand are on number 4. I have been to Lumpini Park, Bangkok, to see the water monitors, but also here in Rayong, we sometimes see a water monitor crossing the street. There are no Komodo dragons in Thailand. Komodo dragons you find only on Komodo Island and a few neighboring islands of Indonesia. Only a few people are crazy about the little skinks. They are on number 5. Skinks can break off its own tail when grabbed by predators. The tail regenerative and will grow back over time. One skink in Thailand is the bronze sun skink or Eutropis macularia. Another is Tropidophorus thai, commonly known as Thai water skink, is a species of skink found in Thailand and Burma. And on number 6 there are the snakes. It is estimated there are 242 species of snakes in Thailand, ranging from harmless to deadly poisonous. I will show 14 species. 1. Golden tree snake. Their colouring is green on the upper body, with lighter shades of yellow, light green, or white on the belly and sides of the head. They can be found all over Thailand, but are more common in southern Thailand. It's mildly venomous since its fangs are located at the rear of its mouth, which means venom is only released when the snake chews its prey. Rear-fanged snakes are not considered dangerous to humans. 2. White-lipped pit viper. They can be found throughout Thailand, but usually areas with vegetation as opposed to human areas. They are highly venomous and their bites are considered hemotoxic. Of the bites reported, only a few have resulted in death. 3. Oriental rat snake. They can be found all over Thailand, but have been more frequently spotted on the islands, such as Phuket and Koh Phangan. They are not venomous. 4. Monocled cobra. They can be found all over Thailand, but prefer habitats near water such as mangroves, swamps and rice paddies. They live in grassland and shrubs, as well as agricultural land. They are highly venomous and hold the record for the highest fatality rate in Thailand. 5. Malayan Pit Viper. They are found all over Thailand, but prefers coastal forests, overgrown farmland, orchards and bamboo thickets. They are highly venomous, but deaths are rare. 6. Red-necked keelback. They are usually found near lakes and ponds as they feed on frogs and small fish. They are classed as a highly deadly snake. 7. Checkered Keelback. They live all over Thailand, but prefer to live near freshwater lakes or rivers. It's not venomous. 8. Banded Krait. They can be found all over Thailand, but are usually spotted near forests and agricultural lands since they eat small rodents. They often lurk in termite mounds and rodent holes and can sometimes come into human villages because they have a supply of rodents and water. They are venomous, but bites are rare. 9. Indo-Chinese spitting cobra. They are found all over the country, but tend to stay in jungle habitats. They sometimes make their way into small villages due to the rodent population there. Their venom is lethal. Death has only known to occur in rural areas where anti-venom treatment wasn't administered. If the venom gets into the eyes, it can cause permanent blindness. 10. Burmese Python. They can be found all over Thailand, but tend to live in jungle areas near a water source. They are not venomous. 11. Laotian wolf snake. They are found in jungle areas such as Khao Sok National Park. No, they are not venomous. 12. Oriental whip snake. They can be found all over Thailand, even in parks and urban areas, but prefer to live in trees as opposed to on the ground. They are venomous, though they are rear-fanged and not considered a threat to humans. 13. Small banded kukri snake. They're found in most of Thailand and stick to the ground, rarely climbing trees. They have only a mild venom and has never killed a human being. 14. Painted bronzeback snake. They are found in the national parks. This snake is nervous and will typically flee swiftly when disturbed. If you have anything to add to this information or discover an error, please write it in the comments. Also, if you like this video and you have a suggestion on what topic I can make a video next time, write it in the comments.